So today it was announced that Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, will be purchasing Twitter, the company Twitter. So essentially, what's happening is that the company will no longer be publicly traded. Basically, he's buying every single outstanding share. No matter if you want to sell it or not, you're basically forced into selling it. So what happens? I own, um, about 100 shares of Twitter. So that's roughly $5,000, but a lot of people do as well. So they're curious, what's going to happen. So basically, with the buyout, Elon agreed on a specific price per share. So I think the amount was $54.20. So it really doesn't even matter what it's currently trading at. Um, you're going to get $54.20 per share, and it should go into your account. Um, Probably won't be any time very soon, but probably obviously within the month or so. I think the deal is pretty much officially closed, but there's a couple things that could go wrong that would stop it. But it's like 95% going to go through. So yeah, there's really nothing to worry about. Basically, you'll just get it'll just basically forcefully sell the shares for you. At that price of $54.20. And it is quite a premium for what the stock was actually trading at. So obviously over the year, it's been up quite more than that. But I think that they were looking at April 1st, and it was up about 38% as of April 1st. And that I'm meaning the price that he agreed to buy it at. So the entire deal is worth about $44 billion. I think he's going to be borrowing some of that money from Morgan Stanley. Um, because a lot of his actual liquid money is tied up in Tesla stock and things like that. So yeah, basically you'll get this amount into your account. Really nothing to be worried about, or nothing that you have to do. So like I'm going to do, I just recommend basically that you reinvest the money in somewhere else. So Twitter is no longer to be a publicly traded company. You're going to get the money into your account. And yeah, from there you can just do what you want with the money. So now Twitter is a private company. So just want to talk a little bit about what this means for the company, and what do I think is going to happen. And I actually think it's a good thing. I think Elon Musk has good intentions. He's a big promoter of free speech. So he claims that the real reason that he's doing this is because he's irritated with censorship and things like that. So I'm curious if people like Donald Trump will be allowed back on the platform, or other people that have been banned. If he's big on free speech, you should be able to. Free speech means you can say whatever you want, whether or not it's true or not. And I think some of those people had gotten in trouble and banned for those reasons, and spewing, saying things that were proven basically not to be true. So we'll see what happens. I think overall it is good for the company. I'm a big promoter on free speech as well, so I think his intentions are honest in that sense. But yeah, it will no longer be able to be traded. You should just get the money in your trading account, and yeah, and I would just use it to invest in something else. I think Netflix is a good play right now. It's down about 60%, I think, which is pretty ridiculous. Anytime a stock dips that low, so it's actually continued to fall today, which is crazy. So yeah, within the past 6 months, it's down almost 70%, which is absolutely crazy. I think that's a great opportunity to buy the Netflix stocks. I do not own any Netflix, but I, might be considering buying some soon. So yep, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.